Hello everyone, Joey Riz here coming to you with another video, and today, I don't know if you can see right behind me, I'm at the MSI booth over here at the Venetian. We just watched their little keynote speech here. They just announced some really cool laptops and some, the fact that they actually now have the 2060, RTX 2060 I should say, that Nvidia just announced yesterday. They have them in some computers over here, so we're gonna check them out. Let's go. Okay, so first up here, we're just checking out this pretty case and computer from MSI, but the real star here is that brand new 2060 that just dropped from Nvidia yesterday, and they already have one running inside this machine here. They're doing a 1920 by 1080, 120 hertz running on this game. It's actually is pretty nice and smooth. But yeah, this is their 2060 Gaming Z. This should be out soon. Now let's check out something else. All right, from the desktop to the laptop, this is the GS75, has a 2080 inside. It's still mostly thin and light, has a 17-inch screen. Look at all that RGB, how can you not love that? All right, from an amazing thin gaming laptop over to the creative side, this is the PS63. It only has a GTX 1050, but this is just meant to have power like video editing, photo editing on the go. It is really, really nice and thin. It has a beautiful display. It has, let's look at the ports on the side because that's what creators are gonna need. We got an HDMI, USB-C. We have another USB. Let's check the other side out. Two more USBs and a micro SD card slot, which is really cool to see. Yeah, sure, I've done setting it up. Let's give it a try. And here we have it. This is another great thing is look how small this power adapter is. This is something they really tried to make a lot smaller so you wouldn't care about taking this with you, and you can power this thing all day on the battery life here. Plus, but if you need it for video editing especially, you can always plug it in with this tiny thing. See, MSI also went really ham with the swag. The most swag out of any of these events I've gone to yet. Pretty decent bag. Well, let's see what's inside. T-shirt. Gaming just got real. Got this, I don't know, something in there. Let's just rip it open. Why not? Okay. Oh, a travel adapter charger thingy. Yeah, you can always use one of these. Thanks, MSI. This here is just like some kind of belt loop thing. All right. Never stop being creative because they did have that Discover branded model that I showed you earlier. Lucky, and this is a USB drive with all the info on it. Gotta love Lucky. More things about the Discover model. And last but certainly not least, a Lucky phone holder. I mean, come on, you can't get too much better than this, guys. Oh, I didn't see you there. All right, so that's been MSI. Sorry, it's a little bit crazy in there. I'm going to try to get more info for you on all these products a little bit later on, but that was just a quick look. Now on to more show.